It's early Saturday morning, and today I decided to do my back gardening. As you can see, the grass is grown. There are a few wild plants in, and as I look at it, I just can't believe I have to do this. I'm just enjoying my early morning coffee before the whole thing gets started. Last year and the year before, I'll pay somebody to come and do the garden for me, but every time they came, they left me with a huge cost, and I realized I was the one losing out, because when they are done doing the garden, they would have broken my window, which will cost me another extra £280 to fix. And that happened twice. So I've decided this time around, I'll just get the grass mower and try and do it myself. And the reason why I wasn't doing it before was I get a lot of reactions when I do the grass, but I guess I'd rather get the reaction than pay somebody to always be giving me extra cost after the grass is done. So let's see how this goes. Usually I'll just use, like when I was doing it, I'll just use the grass cutter, which I'll be bringing out in a minute, and that takes longer, and that also splashes the grass a lot on my skin and my face and everything else. But I believe that this time around the grass mower will do some good. I got one before, but it blew up, and I decided I wasn't going to do it again. So I just went on to the grass cutter, and that was giving me a lot of reactions. So I got somebody to be doing it every summer for me. I do it about 2 times before the summer season is over, and every time they leave me with a cost. So I've decided this time around I'm going to do it myself. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully you would enjoy the process. I don't know, but then I felt like filming this, so hopefully you would enjoy this journey with me. I know I'm going to finish with a lot of aches and pains, and hopefully will not be able to do anything else for the rest of the day, because I just have to go straight into bed. That's how bad it is when I do my gardening. But I want to also be able to sit out and enjoy the weather, because we don't get good weather in the UK all the time. So when you get an opportunity to enjoy one, you should be able to enjoy it. And that's exactly what I want to be able to do. Sit in my garden, enjoy some fresh air before this season is over. So let's see how it goes, and hopefully we'll enjoy it together. Anyway, happy watching.